Welcome to the Sun Shield Paint Kit tutorial. Along with the contents that are included in your kit, we recommend the use of these additional supplies. After removing your door from opening and laying it on a flat surface, begin by taping the glass.
Tape off inside edge of glass with blue painter's tape. Tape both long sides first. Start at one corner of the glass opening and overlap 1 inch of tape onto slab. Then unroll tape and apply tightly to the glass opening. Proceed to other corner and overlap at this end also. Repeat process for other long side. For short sides, start tape in middle of long side tape and apply to glass edge, stopping at the middle of the next corner. Trim the long sides with a sharp razor knife.
Step 2. Prepping light frames.
Prep the light frames according to the type of frame listed on the sticker attached to the glass. Some have a QR code to identify the glass and frame type. For Fiber Pro, Fiber Mate Plus, Fiber Pro Oak, Evolve, Trisis, Craftsman, and Zeal, clean with mineral spirits and Scotch-Brite pad. Follow paint or stain instruction. For HP White Evolve, and HP White Craftsman, paint frame with adhesion promoter provided. Use in well-ventilated area. Allow 2 hours to dry before stain or painting. Severe weather aluminum frames. Scuff both frame and screw covers with 3M pad. Clean with mineral spirits and Scotch-Brite pad. Paint screw covers with adhesion promoter. For PVC frames, wipe PVC frames and STL bars with a 3M pad with mineral spirits and allow to fully dry before finishing.
Step 3. Prepping an unfinished door for paint or stain.
Lightly wipe the surface with a clean, fine grit 3M pad dampened with mineral spirits. This will remove any oils or residual dirt. Wipe clean with paper towels and allow the door to dry completely. Working temperatures should be 55 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not work in direct sunlight or high humidity.
Next, we will be inserting support screws into the top and bottom of the door so that the door can be flipped without needing to wait for the paint to dry. Note, if you are working with a heavier door, such as a door with hurricane glass, we recommend to skip this step as the screws will not be able to support the weight of the door. Begin by using a ruler and a pencil to create a mark 4 inches from the center of the door to both the left and right. Next, create a mark that is 15 inches from the center of the door to both the left and right as well. Use your drill to create holes that are approximately 2 inches deep where you have marked, and then screw 6 to 4 inch screws provided into these holes. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the door.
Move the sawhorses so the door slab is supported by the wood screws. Position the door slab toward one side of sawhorse to allow the door to be flipped to stay on opposite side of the door slab.
Next, priming and painting the door. Use the 2-inch brush to apply 1 coat of primer to all 6 sides of door slab, as well as primer jambs, light frames, and bore holes as needed. Allow the primer to dry 1 to 2 hours, then paint the door. Stir the paint mix well before painting. Brush the paint color onto primed door and other surfaces. Begin by painting any embossed panels and light frames. Next, do the horizontal panels running side to side. And then the vertical panels running top to bottom. Depending on the coverage of the first coat, a second coat may be required, especially for all dark colors. Allow the door to dry 1 hour between coats and allow the door in all parts to dry fully before reinstalling door and opening. If you missed a section of the light frame, apply tape to glass and perform the touch-ups. Remove support screws. Congratulations on your newly painted door using the SunShield paint kit.